Hi everyone, hope you're good. Please ignore the fact that I look like Snape right now. My hair's a mess. Anyways, so today I wanted to do a short video about some lash curling tips that I have, because if you can't tell, sorry, the sun is blinding right now. My eyelashes are pretty straight. They're not as straight as they naturally are, and I'll tell you why in a second, but I'll put some pictures of what they naturally look like, and as you can see, they are very straight, and I don't know why because my hair is really curly. So I don't know what happened with those genetics. But anyways, the reason why not all of my lashes right now are completely straight is because a few months ago I permed them. I do it myself at home and I use this kit from Amazon. I'll link it down below, and it's really good. It's really easy. They last for like well over a month, like maybe 5 or 6 weeks. So that's all good. You don't have to touch them for that length, but it's just that the growing out phase is really annoying because some lashes are straight, some are still curled, and even now you probably can't see, like some of them are still like half curled. So I wanted to take a break from doing that. And over the past few months, I've learned a lot of tips about eyelash curling, and I wanted to share them with you because I don't know why, I just had never found these out in my life, but I'm really grateful to have found these out now. And I want to share them with you in one video because I've gotten loads of these tips from all over the internet. I don't know if this is better anyways, because this hair is just distracting me. So basically, since I started wearing makeup when I was like 12 or 13, I'm 21 now. I curl my eyelashes obviously because they're straight as hell. But then during COVID, I noticed, I was like, wow, my lashes are so terrible, like they just won't hold a curl. Like, am I just destined to have super straight lashes my whole life? So that's why I started perming them, was during COVID. And what I didn't realize, and I learned this from a reel on Instagram, you're basically talking about how when people with glasses wear masks, the moisture that they're breathing condensates in their glasses. I don't wear glasses, so like, I would never have thought of this, but still, even when you're not wearing glasses, the moisture is coming up onto your eyes, causes the curl to fall. I was thinking, wow, no wonder my lashes lately have been drooping down and not holding a curl. That's one big thing. If you're wearing a mask, make sure you're wearing a waterproof mascara so that the moisture isn't causing your lashes to droop. So another tip I have, I'll get my eyelash curler. I actually got a new eyelash curler this year. I was using the same eyelash curler for like 10 years, I swear. And that was another big problem, was I was using this really old eyelash curler that was not really effective. So I got a new one. It's the Shiseido one. And this is a really, really popular one. And I got this off Stylevana and it was only like €8, which is really good. I did see a thread on a makeup Reddit about measuring your eye curvature, and then you can find the closest eyelash curler to fit your eye shape. And I tried doing that and it didn't work. It kept saying my eyes had no curvature, which, I mean, obviously they have some, but I guess they just might be really flat at the sides. So when I was looking it up, the Shiseido one seemed to be the flattest. Also, I did my nails yesterday. I used tips for the first time and I'm really happy with how they turned out. This tip, I can't remember where I saw it as well. It was probably Instagram too. But basically, most people curl their eyelashes with them open, and you can see the eyelash curler, the curve is here. And when you put that on, your lash line is curving like this. I mean, obviously it depends on the shape of your eye, but for me it curves like this. So it's not aligning with the curve of the eyelash curler. Well, two ways you can combat this is, of course, you close your eye and you curl it like that. Or sometimes what I do is I kind of pull it up so that it's more straight, and then I do that, and I find both ways work pretty well. So I'm gonna put this back where I had it and I will explain why again. I want to talk to you about heat. So I'm sure everyone has heard the tip of, you heat up your eyelash curler, or you heat up a spoon and you use that to curl your eyelashes. And I've never done that myself because it seems a bit dangerous and damaging. I know some people might use like a hairdryer or a lighter to heat up their curler, right? This was in a YouTube comment section of like a random video. They said when they're getting ready, they put their eyelash curler in their bra and their body heat heats it up while they're getting ready, and then by the time they're about to do their lashes, their eyelash curler is all heated up. Personally, I don't wear a bra when I get ready always, so I just put it in the waistband of my pocket. I'll show you. So it's just in here, so it's heating up against your body. I love this because obviously it heats it up and the heat will hold the curl really, really well. Like, I found that heating it is the most effective way, definitely by far, but it's also heated by your own body temperature. And of course that's safe for your eyelashes because your eyelashes are growing out of your body. They're meant to be at that temperature anyways. It won't heat damage them. That's like the most life-changing tip that I found. My eyelashes used to be the bane of my existence and now it's no problem at all. So I will now actually demo you I'll try to go closer. I can't zoom in because I'm using the front camera, and I'll try not get in the sunlight. So I'm gonna do a closing my eyes first and try get it lined up. And just try go as close to your lash line as possible and go kind of at different angles so you can get the inner and outer one. I know Shiseido has like a small curler and S curler, so you can see that's what that looks like. And I'm gonna do it by pulling on the other one. I know people probably won't like pulling as much because, you know, wrinkles and such, but you know, I don't mind. That's life. I'm not sure which way I prefer. I think closing the eye is, but it looks thicker on this side, but I'm not sure if that's just because I'm with the lighting or whatever. So I'm gonna quickly put on mascara. I use the Gloss Eyelash, like this is my favorite. I think this one is drying out a bit now though. This is a tubing mascara, and I know a lot of people say if you have straight lashes to hold your curl, you need a waterproof mascara. This actually, the tubing mascara, it has water in it. And I find that like this on its own, it wouldn't hold a curl, but I find that the heat from the eyelash curler, it holds it completely. Work with like a normal non-waterproof mascara because I haven't tried it. I've only used this one. So that's what they're looking like now. It's really nice and natural. Completely changes your whole face. So yeah, the Shiseido S curler, it's smaller. I'm considering getting one of those so you can really get into the inner and outer corner. It seems like it will be really beneficial because I guess unless you're one of those really lucky people, no eyelash curler will perfectly fit your eyes. These are all of my tips. I hope that these are helpful, and if you have any tips, I'd love to hear them as well. So share them with everyone. And they'll stay like this pretty much all day. Just make sure you keep the eyelash curler heating for a good while. So I kind of do basically everything before I do my lashes. Do my whole face, my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, and then I would do the lashes. I really hope this was helpful. I know these tips helped me a lot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.